Hey guys, what's going on? This is a must to have in the house for everybody. I thought that I'd need it in the house because I have kids, but you actually need this in the house for adults too. I took a little spill on my bike yesterday. Luckily, I had this first aid kit to kind of wrap my hand up. I kind of went flying off my bike. I scratched myself on multiple parts of my body, including my face. And this really came in handy because it has like the gauze pads and then like this that you could kind of wrap it up in. Motrin, Band-Aid, Neosporin, Bengay comes with 125 items. But I've actually like added stuff, on my own when I ran out. Like, so the Neosporin I ran out of, and like I just like bought a little tube of my own to keep in here. But these are all the things that, not this, but it comes with all this, like the Bengay, the instant cold pack, the gauze. This was like an extra little wound pouch that I used. Tweezer to apply, gloves. It comes with so many awesome things, Band-Aids, all this stuff. The Motrin, stuff I've kind of ran out of after a while, but this is stuff you need to have on you. And like I said, you could kind of build your own and add to it, whatever you want. I really suggest having one in your car just in case, like, if you say you take your kids to the park and they get into a little fall or something, you really want to have this, bring one on vacation with you. And then of course have one in your house. So I usually keep Band-Aids and stuff in my purse, but yesterday when I fell, I didn't have I was bleeding heavily and I really needed, extra items, gauze pads and stuff like this. This comes so in handy, guys. Even if it's just you in the house, I suggest having one. And it comes with literally everything you could need. And like I said, you could add to it as well.